Okay, here we are live, waiting for the start of the New York session. And I'm gonna look here to which charts will I share with you guys. I believe this one. This is the 1 hour. This, yeah. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna share this one. The 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Let's see here. I'm gonna close this. So I will be sure. I am sharing the right one. Okay. Go. Okay, this is the chart. What are we seeing here is, let me see if it's, okay, yeah. What we're seeing here is we came down from yesterday all the way from 21.6. Actually, we were even higher at 21.661. That's what was our point, 661. Then at the beginning of the session, the price kept below the view up and just came down. And now we reached this point here, which we tested at the beginning of the session, like mid-session yesterday, and we went up towards 21.5, and then retested here this 21.4, and from then we just came back to 21.413, and here we are at 21.5 again. Okay, we can see that this was the area it reached yesterday. That after the fall, of the big fall, it went back here. So we are in the limit here. By looking at the higher time frame, I would say to you that I believe we are going to retest this anchor here. So we have all this room to go down. And so you have to be prepared for that. I will just stop sharing now. I will open a new tab here because I'm gonna share this one. I don't want to share the one I'm working at. I'm really new to this. So I'm not exactly sure how to do things, but now, yeah. Let's try again. Share and maybe this. Let's see. No. Okay. Yeah. Good. Yeah. I have 1 hour here, so you can see why do I think it's gonna go down, back down. See that we have here the 1 hour, okay, and the 1 hour, it is going towards retesting the 21.5, But I'm saying that I believe we are going to test here again. But when you see the 1 hour, we can see that it tapped this area of 21.4 at least 3 times. So maybe we can see it going up. However, when we go to an even higher time frame, go to 4 hours, for example, what do we see here? We see that we had a very, very, very big rally. Okay, even the 4 hour is not good to see this. It's better, maybe to 12 hour. Look at this, like since the end of November, we went up like almost relentlessly from 27th of November. Yeah. We went all the way up to, we went 1,000 points to the upside. So, and we are in a very, very, let's say, critical point here. It's the 12 hour, it's a 12 hour support. It might be a daily support as well. So maybe if this downtrend continues, we don't have a downtrend yet, but if this bearish momentum, which replaced here this upside, like we had 6 days, almost 7 days of upside momentum. If this downside momentum is confirmed here, which we can see there is a very good support. So there's lots of market participants who want to defend this 400 here. If we keep this 400, we might see a standard rally. But if we don't, maybe we can see a very good downside, at least to this area here of 246 of 162. Yeah, we could do this movement. And I'm saying today we don't have any catalysts. Today, no news. Tomorrow we have CPI. Maybe if it comes hotter than the market expects, we might well see a downside confirmation, but that's not exactly confirmed at the moment. So we have to see. I believe that we will play around. Let's go to like a 4 hour again to zoom in at the moment. So I believe we have a big chance of playing between these area here, this 140 points from 21.5, 21.550 to 21.4. Maybe that's what we are going to see. I doubt very much that we are going to go over the all-time high, which we see here. So those are my thoughts. Maybe we are going to even play only around this area here. I don't know. It will depend a lot on what the lords of the market have for us today. The thing is that I stayed a little bit out of this live streaming since I began. Didn't have a good day that day, and I changed completely my strategy. Not completely, but at least my risk management. Now I'm risking just one trade a day, so you won't see me taking more than one trade. Even if even if I win, I just take one trade and that's it. At least in my main account. I have other accounts which are not my main account that I can risk more. And the days I'm willing to stay more time in the market, I can go and risk more. But I will only enter one trade here. I don't know. I don't think today I'm very willing to go further. But even if I find possible opportunities out of my main strategy, the strategy that I take just one trade a day, if these opportunities they come before I enter in my main strategy, okay, which all the rules have to be for which all the rules have to be fulfilled in order to enter the trade, uh, I don't enter. And that's it. But there is a but. If after 3 times that I call a trade that I don't take because it's not following all my rules, after the third trade, if that works out, I also leave the market without trading at all. And that has been working a lot for me. In the last like 3 weeks, I made, I believe, 400 points net in the market. And for me, it's very good. My goal is to make like 100 points per week. When I make 100 points per week, I stop trading my main account as well. I just trade. After that, I just go for trading the secondary account. And that's how I've been trading. So it's been working much better for me, much better, because it takes off my shoulders the pressure, the greed to revenge trade when I lose a trade, and that's it. There is the limit of the loss, and that's how it works. It's been working a lot because in the end, what really matters is to stay in the game. If you are able to stay in the game, buddy, and you have a good strategy behind you, if you're able to stay in the game even after losing like 3, 4, 5 trades in a row, if you're able to stay in the game, chances are you're going to succeed in trading. So, waiting for the market to open. We are GMT here, so we are 5 hours ahead of New York. New York now is 9:24. We are 2:24 p.m. And that is it. We can see that we had this downside momentum here from 13. We had some news here, didn't hit too heavy, but we had a 50-point movement, almost 50-point movement to the downside, close to the view up. What I'm thinking that can happen, and I would enter a trade right at the beginning if it worked like that, is enter a trade shorting from here to here or to here. It would be enough. Let's say it might work out. But for that, we would have to first break well here and come back to this area here. So that's the logic behind it. It's the break and the retest of a point that is of a point that is a possible point for rejection. You can see the rejection here, and if that happens, we might well see this trade playing out. But for now, let's just focus on the movement. Okay, we have nothing to see now. Nothing to see yet. 3 minutes to go. Let's go. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what the gods of the market have for us in store. Let's just see. Okay. It's still in this small area here of consolidation. If it breaks this consolidation, let's say towards 479 or lower, I will enter if it comes back to this area here. No doubt about that. Because it is the opening, maybe if it breaks and goes up, even if it surpasses here, it probably will be a fake out and I would enter as well. But I would just enter if it was a solid candle, the second or the third at most candle, I would enter from here or here, or I mean above here, because it happens all the time and I think it's worth a try when it happens. But for now, I'm seeing the movement very, very strong to the upside. At 29.30, I usually call what direction will the first move go. And from the 28th, I'm thinking that it's going up, but I need to see the 29th. This is a strategy that I'm testing. The strategy of the first minute. I just open a trade right before the market opens to take advantage of this first movement. But I'm still testing this, so I can just tell you what I would do, but I won't do it live now because I'm still testing it, getting confidence on that. But in the demo, I've been testing it. It's been working. It's been working. Oh, look. Yeah. It's used to have like, I will call it at 50. It's yet too, it's very, very, it's not very predictable. But I'll tell you, it's going down. First movement is down. That's what I would bet. Down. Yeah. It's not exactly going down. It went like some points down, but okay. Yeah. From the opening, imagine if we had this, if we had entered here, we would be 13 positive already. If I was trading, I would put the stop loss at 0 now and go risk free because it's the opening, man. You can't play very much with the opening. So it would be a risk-free trade by now. Okay, 11 points, 12, 15. Not too bad, huh? Not too bad. Not too bad at all. 18, 20. You guys see how it works? Yeah, good job. However, I didn't enter this trade, but I'm willing to enter again. I'm willing to enter here if it comes back. I'm really willing to. Let's just make a mark here on where would I enter. Yeah, I think 491 is a good place to enter. Exactly 491. Yeah, 491 is a good place to go. If it comes back to 491, I will enter. And let's see what happens. $488 was the maximum the price arrived. Oh no. It's not going to 491, boys. You still have 10 seconds. I'm not entering if not at 491. No, I will hardly enter this trade unless the next candle is very strong to the upside. If it breaks uh, this 466, I'll just give up of the setup. Sure will. It's the last chance to reach 491 and over. Okay. Okay. I enter from 491. Let's see if it plays out or if I am going to lose. Let's see. I will put a stop at 0 at this point right here. 470. If it reaches 470, I'm putting the stop loss at 0. For now, I'll just let the trade play out. And if I lose, I lost. That's how it works, boys and girls. We would have already made 10 points, but I'm still not comfortable in setting stop loss at 0 at this point. But the price action seems to be very, very, very bullish yet. If this candle breaks the top, it's not a good sign. Yeah, it broke the top. I'm not very happy now with this trade, but I'll leave it open because I opened already. Let's leave it play out. If it goes wrong, what to do? It's trying to get lower, but there is a pressure to the upside. If it really breaks the stop, I think we will lose the trade. Yeah, if it really breaks it, I think it's gonna be very difficult to go down again. It made yet look, it made yet another week here. It's not looking very good. To be fairly honest, it's testing the last point of resistance here. Yeah, it's not working. It's not working. I'm even thinking about leaving the trade if possible. I'm not liking it very much. Now it's breaking the top, exactly what I said I didn't want to see. I'm ready to maybe close. Okay, I closed with some profits. Now let's see if it's not gonna go up again. Oh, down, I mean. Uh, yeah, it's tested like the top end of the. Now let's see if it breaks this 487. I think it's going down, but I prefer to leave than stay. I don't know if I made the right choice, but I did. I did it. Now it looks like it's going down, but I'm not entering again. I'll see if another opportunity comes up. Now it's breaking the point. If it closes above the 500, like it did, I believe there's a great chance of the price keep going up. And it could even go down again, but oh Jesus, thank God I left the trade, guys. It was a good move. Yeah, it was a good move. Now I would be struggling here. It could even go down again, but at this point, if you look here at the 1 hour, you see that this is the point, the top of yesterday. The top, no, but the top of the reaction yesterday. See, top of the candle. It might well go down from there, but if it breaks this point, I believe it's going back to 600 maybe. And it's happening what I said it could. One of the chances that I said it could accumulate here and then keep going up. Uh, and it could go down again, but I prefer not to suffer this stop loss of mine is more of a buffer than exactly something that I'm willing to give up, sort of a buffer to avoid like those unexpected movements when you're right and oh my goodness, it just touched my stop loss and went down. That's why I have this 25-point buffer. I wouldn't say that it's exactly a a, a stop loss. It is, but it's not. It's more of a buffer. And like I said, if it didn't play out right at the moment I enter, I prefer to I wait a little bit because we can't like just leave, especially in the opening. If it didn't go where it had to go right at first, I just leave it, leave it. I even made some points here. Maybe how many points did I do? I was able to make 2 points. Okay, not bad, not bad. 2 points. Oh, you see? Oh goodness! Oh my goodness! That was a great movement, but great movement. But you see that the first I just called this here 26 points. Not exactly the best trade in the world, but it would have been worked out. It's good. Better, better to it's much better to uh, it's much better to have a stop loss at zero than lose a trade. Okay, that's it. Let's wait if another opportunity comes up. And how would this opportunity look like? I would say that a retest, a test actually, a retest of this break here would be perfect. But we would have to see the consolidation and the break and then the movement back so we could enter from there. Um, but the way it sits now, I don't see any chances of entering this market. No, no. No, 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 no. Yeah, this thing here was pretty impressive. It went up 38 points just before the opening bell. So it was quite a strong move. Now we are at 536. Yeah, it's still feasible to go back here, and but it could go endlessly to the upside. Why not? It's been happening since, like I said, 27th of November. So now we have in the 4 hour 92 points, and it's just going up, just going up, just going up relentlessly to the upside. Yeah, like I said, it's reaching the point I just said would be the highest point of the day. Okay, it can be the highest point of the day, or it can be not. So how would we play here a short from here? We could still play a short from here, although it's risky. Although it's risky, but we could play a short from here. If we just draw a Fibonacci, we are seeing like, yeah, we are a bit above the 0.5. Okay, so it can be an area of reaction, but for that we would have, oh, I'm looking here, I'm looking at the 4 hour and showing the 1 minute. We can see that this is the point we expected some pressure, and it's happening. It's happening, this pressure. And if we see a possible short setup here with consolidation, and then break and then come back, we could well short this because we have a lot of space from here to here. But if it goes down all the way down to here, then we wouldn't care to enter a short position here. But if it goes back, both back and forth, if this consolidation here is confirmed to the downside, okay, onto the downside, I wouldn't enter long from this consolidation. No, because it's a very dangerous area, okay, like you can see in the 4 hour. So again, back to the 1 minute here. It's a very dangerous area because of the higher time frame. Okay, for a long, and it could be a good place for a short, but the way it's playing out is not the way I would play it out. I would play it. Maybe in my riskier account, I would be playing this short from 541. Why not? Then we would have a stop loss here. It's a 560. Okay, so I think 19 points. But I'm pretty I'm very biased here at the moment for the downside, and I'm gonna look to the price action, the candle action. Actually, for now, the candle action is very bullish. I'm not seeing any sort of let's say any sort of bearishness in the candle movement, but this bearishness could come up, especially now. You see, let's see how this candle is gonna close. And if we have the confirmation of this, I would consider this a consolidation already. Okay, and I would like to enter from the top of this, 546. It would be interesting to enter from 456. Now I'm seeing some bearishness in the candle action. I don't want to see it go very low in this candle. I would prefer to see the next candle going lower. Yeah, let's see. Let's see the next candle if it goes lower. Good. Yeah. Yeah, I'm liking this action, to be honest. If it keeps like that, it comes back to 548, I will enter a short trade. Okay, but it's not guaranteed. These movements sometimes they are very flashy. They just go very fast and then they don't go back. But you see, if I had gone for 541, that's why I'm gonna consider this one of those trades that I said, okay, if I call a trade and I don't get it because it's not following exactly my strategy, this one is one of those. I don't think it's gonna go back there. It could go. I'm gonna be happy if it goes back there, but I'm not gonna. I don't think it's going it's going up again. Just don't think. I'm not seeing it happening. Yeah, like I said, it's not happening. Okay, I lost a chance. Like I said, I was biased to see it going down, but I didn't follow my rules. I just didn't enter. And now it's too low to believe that it has to do everything again there. So I would enter. But for now, I'm still bullish because the main trend is bullish. It's gonna possibly test this point here, but I would have to see the test. Okay, same stuff that we saw now. This formation here, like some sort of consolidation, the break, and then it comes back. If it does the same thing here, consolidation, break, and it comes back, we are going to enter a long here. But let's see. But anyway, we lost a chance. It's the first call I did that I didn't enter. And I can give three. So it was the first one. We still don't have even 1 hour of session. Still very, very, very uncertain what's going to happen. Maybe this was a fake out to make people jump into longs, and now they're paying the price. But let's see. We can see. We could see this happening here. You see that the first one was not too big. Let's see how it's going to consolidate here. And well, we could enter here short as well. So this point could be a point of short. All will come down to, oh my goodness, now. Not like that. Oh, you see, if I had gone from 541, like I said that time, I would be like very, very in a very good situation now. But I just don't see the price action in my favor at the moment. Yeah. Oh my goodness. It's going down, buddy. Like I said, everything was pointing out to the retest of the 414, at least the 414, but it went up first. From the point I also said it could go, and now it's just going down, back down, with no chance of entering. But that's how the game should be played. But you have rules. This bias of mine, it works lots of times, but it makes me greedy as well. So I prefer not to use this all the time. I prefer to leave the things play out. In the long run, it's been working much better for me, to be honest. It's just going down. Just going down. I don't see any points of interest there. Maybe we could see the VWAP test. Could be a good place to enter long. But I believe that after testing that 4 hour resistance there, I just think that it's going up lower, and it could even break the 400. Although I think it's a bit far fetched to think like that. The 400, there's no catalyst But the catalyst might be the trend itself. The catalyst might be the trend. It's very strong. The strength to the downside is, is remarkable at the moment. I'm not seeing it retracing back up. No, I'm not seeing it. Not seeing it at the moment. And now, just observing. There's nothing to do. Nothing to do at the moment, guys. Just observe. No points of interest being touched or anything. Just going down. Just going down. Oh my goodness. Keeps going down. Look, from our first entry, we would be now at almost 20 points from our short entry. You see that I was right in the bias, like this was just a fake out. And that's how you protect yourself from fake outs. You just wait for the confirmation. Sometimes you lose opportunities, like I lost now for the short side, but it protects your capital, man. It does protect your capital. And look, now it's going strongly to the upside, but I just don't like this. I don't think I'm going to fall for this now. No, no. Like even too short from maybe the resistance there. Uh, I just don't see why. I just don't see why. Although let's give a just a better look here. Yeah. Okay. Look, it's not exactly bad. Yeah. We could try to enter a trade from this. Yeah, it wouldn't be bad. Yeah. If it comes back, if it comes back, why not? Let's see. But it has to come back now. It can't go keep going up. It has to go back now. I would enter for 480, but it's not looking like it's gonna come back. It's not looking like it. Let's see. This candle cannot go over that week. If it goes over the former week, I will hardly uh, be able to look. It's going. It's going. Yes, tomorrow 2 p.m. Yeah, no, no, it's going like it's going relentlessly to the upside. Um, but now look, one of the things I could do is entering a trade from here, but I'm not doing this like that because I can't. It's against my it's against my strategy. So uh, I am not going to do that, even if it goes up there. And why is it against my strategy? Just because it came from the point I wanted to enter, which was here. It came like 70 points to the downside. And my strategy, according to my strategy, it has to come here and go back. It goes too much like the when it comes back up, it could be to break, everything. And we don't want that. We don't want that. Yesterday, something I like happened. Let me see, but it was not as dramatic. Yeah, no, it wasn't as dramatic. It was just like it was 60 points. Yeah, yeah, 60 points, and now it's 70 points. Isn't it? Yeah, 70 points from here. Yeah, yeah, it could even be a good chance. I can try. Yeah, you can try 544. Let's see. I'll try 544. Let's see. Waiting to get there. 544. Nah. If it goes down because I didn't enter for only 5 points, I will consider the second lost chance. Oh, it's getting there. 544. Oh my goodness. It went 543. Okay, I end up entering 542. Let's see. Okay, now it went for. Oh no. It's not looking very good. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have entered in the event. But what to do? Let's see. Looks like it's gonna go up and up and up. Let's see. Yeah, the problem here, I think, that I shouldn't have entered is the trend was up. That's it. I shouldn't have entered because of that. That's why I think this trade is not gonna work. I lost it, boys. Oh my goodness. Shouldn't have entered. It will hardly go back. It's very strong. It's gonna fail now. In this candle. Almost impossible to go down now. Okay. What can we do? If it goes back to the entry point, I will try to leave the trade, but I don't think it's gonna work. It doesn't look like it's going to work. Yeah, not gonna work. Yeah, I won't take a half loss here, or I took a full loss, or I don't lose anything. Yeah, it's going up. It's going. It's going up. I doubt it's going to retrace. Oh, well, that's fine. Didn't work out. Not always it does. I shouldn't have entered there. Yeah, I said I wouldn't, and I did. I don't know. I don't understand these things. Psychology is complicated, guys. Oh, ho, ho. We didn't lose it. We escaped our fate again. Ah, no. Yeah. Okay, but it was like out of sheer luck, guys. That's not how things work. We just went there to my entry and went back up. But it's fine. Okay. Let's keep analyzing here. I think we might have something here now. Let's see. Because even though we had a break of this point here of the 550, okay, uh, we still we could still see. Let me use this here just to show you guys. We could still see this point as an area testing the 4 hour resistance that I just showed you before. So I'm gonna tell you if it goes a bit beyond this point here, 539. Okay, I will be willing to enter a new short from 559, 559, from 559, guys. Might be the place to enter. Now with conviction, it would be. The other one said, okay, might be, might not be. But this one, I would enter with conviction. But for that, we would have to see this point broken. And I'm not seeing it now. But I wouldn't ever enter along there from this point. No, no, no. It would be a suffocated long. But look, we still have some sort of consolidation here. It's not yet broken, even though we have like 25 points of consolidation. Is not bad. It's not bad, to be honest. I've seen much worse stuff. And we have a long way to run until 80 points to the downside. It would be a very nice run. It would be a very nice run. Not entering from there. Short. Could be. Could be. Let's see. Let's see the candle action. At the moment, I'm seeing bullishness in the candle action, but it can change like from one moment to the other. But at this very moment, I'm seeing bullishness in the candle action. Candle action is bullish now. TSI bora underneath PBP underneath. Quem que é underneath? Um, yeah. For now, like I said, I'm seeing bullishness in the candle action. I'll tell you something. No, no, I don't like it. I'm not gonna enter there. Yeah, I'm not seeing now what I just said. I'm not seeing that setup playing out, to be honest. And I'm not seeing myself entering alone from there. It could well work, especially, but what I don't like here is this this V here. This V here is very. I would prefer. I would have preferred to see something like this, but this is not exactly what I like to see. We could even reduce this and maybe see things like this. But I think I wouldn't be comfortable entering from here. Yep. Let's see. I'm gonna discard that. I'm not discarding it. I'm not discarding it at all. Let's just let it play. Now I see some. I'm seeing some bearishness in the price action, and I will tell you one thing. No, this bearish. No, no. It's trying to go up. Yeah, yeah. Now it's not bullish anymore, but it could change. It could change. It's not very. I mean, it's very undecisive. The candle action. I mean, the price action is certainly bullish. Um, but I would, what I would like if it breaks this little point there. I would like to enter if it breaks to the downside. Okay, I would like to enter from 562. Yeah, 562, 563. Even if it doesn't go below here, but if it comes strongly and come back, I would be willing to enter here. We would have discussion that could work out. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay. I'm liking what I see. Yeah, it's a 14-point movement. It's a good movement. We have 10 seconds yet for this candle. I would enter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I like it. I would enter from here. If it comes back to 563, I will enter from there. Let's be patient. Price action is candle action, especially at the moment, is very bearish. There's more power to the downside. And if it goes down without myself entering, I will consider this the second lost chance. So we will have only one to go. Mm. Oh. Oh, will not come back. We will not come back. No, it's just so beautiful. Let's wait to see if it's going to come back. Oh, it's going down without me. Last chance to go up. Let's see if it's going up again. We are expecting 562, okay? 562 is our expectation. Five, 4, 7. Uh, Candle action is very bearish at the moment. I don't think it's going to go there before going back down, unfortunately. I'm sorry, you got Nagra videos. You there? I'm not not talking to you. Uh, well, I'm showing you where I am going to sell, and my stop loss usually is always 25 points. I don't use more than that. I don't use less than that. It's kind of buffer, But most of times when I'm wrong, there's enough time to maneuver back to below entry. So that's why it's 25 points, but it hardly hits it uh, because I take this precaution. But let's see. I don't know if you are in. If you are, good for you. I'm not. I'm waiting it go back to 5, 6, 0 at least. But the way things are now, I don't think we are going there. To be very honest, I expected it to go faster than that. When it takes too much time to go back, sometimes it's a trap. It can keep going up. I will give like two more candles for this price go back there. If it doesn't go, I could even enter like yeah, I don't dislike exactly this consolidation here. It's not a bad consolidation. Maybe if it breaks down until this point here, 527, I would be willing to enter back from 545. It's not a bad deal. Not a bad deal at all. Let's see. Okay, it's going back down. Maybe we should consider very dearly this option here. 545. Let's see how this candle is going to finish. I'm not entering on this point here because it would be maybe too much. But 545 for now. Yeah, although we have like some support here. Yeah, I can try 545. Let's see how it gets there. It's a riskier movement because we won't cover the top of the range, which might be very dangerous. But let's see. It's not a bad movement. I'm willing to go from 545, 544, but not lower than that. Lower than that, I'm not entering. Oh, will it go there? 20 seconds for this candle. It has to go there in the next candle, max. If it's not going next candle there, oh no. Yeah. Let's see, 1 second for the end of the candle. Yeah. Either to go there now or I'm just not playing this out. I'm staying out for this play, to be honest. It doesn't look it's going there. Yeah, it's not going there. It's not going back there, so I will almost sure not enter. Oh, look. No. Okay, if you are short already, good for you. It breaks my rules. I just can't go. That's why I'm still in the game, boys, because I have rules. If I was trading my account, which is not the principal account, it's not the main account, for which I enter in different setups, I would have entered from maybe from the top here. I would have entered here from the top, but it's not exactly what happened. So if you are there, good for you. Good for you. I'm not. So we are maybe 1 hour into the session. I will consider this the second setup that I called and didn't enter. It's a bit sad because you just call the thing and you don't go. But it's fine. Let's wait for a new setup to form. If the next setup that comes up, I don't enter yet again and it plays out, I'll be out for the day because it doesn't make sense to stay after calling 3 times and not entering. But the rules have to be fulfilled. The rules have to be fulfilled. Like now, if you want to listen to everything that I say, I'll tell you that it's very, very likely that if the price comes back to the 538, 39, 40, it's gonna go back up, back down. I mean, um, and it would be a good place to enter a short. Okay, but I don't know. I don't know if I would risk that. Still thinking about, to be honest. Still thinking about why not? Why not? Sort of consolidation here. Not exact assumption. Okay. To be honest, if it comes back to the 545, I will I will enter. Okay. 545 again, but it has to go there. Maybe I would accept possibly 543. Okay, 543. My only problem with this is because if I enter from 543, for example, I will have these almost uncovered, and I wouldn't like to have this. But let's risk it. Okay, let's risk it. I'm biased for a short, so why not? Why not? It makes sense for the setup because it accumulated in the very point that I was expecting it to. Sorry, it consolidated there, not accumulated because it's going down. So it might be a good point of distribution, and the price can go back there, and we could enter or trade from there. Yeah, but it has to go now, now, now. It can't be because it starts to consolidate in this area. Chances are that it's going up after the consolidation. So I prefer to have to see at least in the next candle, not after the next candle. I'll give one more 1 minute candle for this price to go there in the 543. If it doesn't go 543, I'm not seeing it going there. Oh, it's going back down. Oh my goodness. Still has a chance. It has to go there, and it has to go there strongly. Because if it's going there strongly, the fall will be even stronger. That's what we want to see. I'm not discarding this yet. Okay. I have 25 seconds. Okay. We have 535 until now. Okay, I'll give it one more candle. Okay. One more candle to see if it goes there. 1 second, okay. Next candle has to go there strongly. It's going back down. It's not going there. Okay. It went to the point, almost to the point I called first, 537. Yeah. I called 539, went 537. Like I said, but I didn't want to go from 537, from 539. I didn't want to go from there. But if you guys did, good for you. Like I said, I'm here just calling the trades. I'll tell you when I mean, but at the moment I'm not. And it's just playing out from the place I said before, 539, 537, 5376. But now I wouldn't go. Now I wouldn't go because it became very dangerous, especially if it consolidates here in this area 506 here and breaks. It could well go up. So no, it's not good. we are not doing it for the moment. Okay. I will stay like more 40 minutes more in the market to see if something comes up. But as things are now, I am just sitting out. Now it's going back there, but because of the price action, um, I wouldn't enter. I wouldn't enter, but it still has a good chance to go down. But I wouldn't enter. I will not enter. I say because it's not. It's against my rules, so I can't enter. Yeah, guys, it seems to be working out from 538 now. Yeah, like I said, 538, 539. It had a good chance to go, but because it's against my rules, I didn't enter. Yeah, guys, you can see it's very likely it's gonna break this 511 now and go down, further down. But because it's not my setup, my preferred setup, I'm just leaving it. Okay. But if you are there, good for you. Like I said, very good chance of breaking this area here, 509, and going down. I would say possibility that I could think of is yet an accumulation here or a consolidation here. Okay, it can break it now. Consolidation here and then a break of the consolidation, and then we could enter back from here. It's not completely far-fetched. And it would cover, yeah, I would like to see more, maybe here. So you would have this entire section here covered. But it's just a possibility. I'm not saying I will enter from here. I still have a chance, one chance. We still have a chance. And it's a good target, like 36. You could target the view up, for example, 50 points. Not exactly far-fetched. And as for a long, I don't know. I don't know if I would enter a long after this consolidation here. It could well be, but I think this was the high of the day, or at least for now, mid-session. I don't think it's going to go back here because if we pay attention, when it broke from 550 here, and I entered the first trade here, didn't lose. If I had kept, I would have lost. But anyway, you see that this was like a fake out. It was, some people call this a failure. I forgot the name they use. But anyway, okay, it's breaking down. The way it's breaking down, look how beautiful this break is. If you are from 539, congratulations for you, but I'm not. I just called it. It's good to be sad. Must be sad. Maybe you make better trades than myself if you just follow my calls. The calls I don't get sometimes. Okay, but now let's be very, very objective here. I like this 514, okay, but it has to come here. No, 514. 514, if it comes 514, we enter it. Okay, we enter it. From 514, we just enter. Okay, yeah, 514. It's a good entry. It might be a good entry. Let's see. But it has to go now. It has to go now. We still have what? 14 seconds for this candle. Let's give it one more candle to get there. One second. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. The candle action is very bearish now. It's not looking like it's gonna there. And if it breaks, this last, oh no, oh my goodness. Okay, didn't go there. Didn't go there. Now, if it goes, I wouldn't go because it's testing like a support. And okay, yeah. Sometimes that's what happens. Let's see. I don't really like this point, and I think it's very dangerous to enter there. But I will give it a chance. If it goes now to the 41514, I will enter. But it's not going. It's not going. It's not going. Oh my goodness! Look at this. Ah, okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this one didn't work out. It was a new call, but yeah, it didn't come to the place that I was looking for. So yeah, since it didn't come to the place I was looking for, I will not consider this a bad call, a call that I didn't enter. So I'll still have a chance. Um, Now I would like to see this UWAP here tested. Although this is like a point, a very interesting point, and we can even say that this is the last anchor. Okay, this is the last anchor because it's sustaining. Let's say that I like this point for a long. If it forms like a setup here, I'll be willing to long from here now. Not very far-fetched. it would have been a big ride from. It just didn't come to the point I was looking for. So no worries. Let's see now. We have this anchor here. Um, this doesn't exist anymore. Uh, the anchor is being crushed. It's being crushed. So this doesn't exist anymore. This doesn't exist anymore. This doesn't exist anymore. Okay, let's see. We're just crushing the view up. And I'll just watch 20 more minutes. Oh, oi, neném. Você almoçou? Ah, neném. So the downtrend continues, and I'm seeing here a setup, possible setup here. And this is going to be my last attempt to enter the market today. We have this point, which is an important point, was an important point during the morning session. But all right, what I would do here, because we broke this anchor, we're breaking the view up. I'm liking to see, I'm liking to see a possible entry from here, but not now. Not now. I'm thinking it's too much risk now. If we analyze better, let's see. Take only this. Yeah, it's risky. It's risky this point now. I think it's a bit too much risky. 466. I'm gonna try it. Let's see. 466. Okay, I'm 469. I'm from 469, guys. Let's see. 469.29. Okay. Here. If it comes to 445, I would set stop loss at 0. Let's see. Let's see. It's a very risky setup. I really don't think I should have tried this one. But it is what it is. It's very dangerous. Very dangerous. I'm betting on the continuation of this trend. But maybe I was like too much greedy. Too much greedy. I don't think I did a good deal here. Yeah, I think we're gonna lose this trade, buddies. I'm not seeing this trade playing out. Candle action is very bullish now. Very bullish candle action. Yeah, if it, I'm keeping this trade, but you know, if it breaks up this 476 here, I think we're kind of doomed. It made a good movement to the. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, I'm not liking it anymore. I should have left. It's breaking exactly the point I was afraid it would break. Yeah. Let's see. Again, another chance. Okay, because it's not a good entry, I am putting stop loss at 0 now. If it goes, good. If it doesn't, we are fine. And I will just give up for today. It's going back. It's going back. Four, 6, 9 our entry, 10 points now. Let's see this next candle. If it breaks the end of this, if it doesn't retrace, it's at 0. Stop loss at 0 now. Oh, let's see if it's gonna break. Okay, we're almost 20 points now. Okay, 20 points. I will even put the stop loss a bit lower at 466, so we won't lose. Let's say if it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's how it goes. We are at 14 points now. 21, okay, it's going down, 23. We have a good chance of this trade playing out, guys. Hopefully it just go down now. 456, what's 456? 456 would be 10 points. Okay, I'm gonna trail this because I'm not letting so much in the table. I'm trading for 457. You're 23 points now. So I'm trading for 4, 5, 7. 10 points. Now we're 30 points. If we trail to 444, how many points? 24 points. I think I'm gonna trail to 444 or 446. So we are going to have 20 points then. We are 33 now. Now we're trading for 446, okay? 446. Let's see if it holds. It's holding 446. It's holding 446, guys. Still have 25 seconds for this candle. Price action, candle action is a bit bullish. Good. 7 seconds. Let's see. Candle action is very bullish at the moment. Have 31 points. I think I will stay with 30 points. Okay. 30 points. Good job. Good job, guys. Good job. Let's see. Okay, I would have lost. Yeah, it was a good day. Yeah, we got 459, 39, yeah. 30 points, actually 29 points, because it was 441 the exit. So 469, 441, 28 points. Not bad. Not bad. We had a maximum of 38, 37. But okay, we wanted 50 and we just left at the right time, as you guys can see. I'm pretty happy. I can't say I'm not happy with today. It was a good day. It was a good day, yeah. Because, like I said, my goal is a weekly 100 points. So if I do other 3 trades like this, we are there, and we could even do more. But I'm not going to trade tomorrow. I'm not going to trade on Thursday as well, at least live. But I will come back on Friday. Okay. So if you like it, this stream, um, leave your comments, leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be here. I'll try to be here like more often, to be honest. And you guys see that I give you calls. So no one on YouTube does that. Gives like real calls. Say, enter from here. I'm entering from here. No one does that. So I do. And as you can see, I got to know what I'm doing, man. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye. Bye.